Myself, Dr. Arti Sekhawat. I am an anesthesiologist and I am working in my field since 25 years. So, I attended their basic course and their teaching was amazing. All the teachers here, they are doing a splendid job of teaching. And then I am attending here the workshop which they are conducting. And yesterday's session I attended, that was cadaveric, that was amazing. I learned many things here. Today's session, which is USG, that is also the teachers are very helpful. They are like doing amazing job of teaching, and like if we want to tell them to repeat the things again and again, they are repeating. They are like helping us in more than any other way. And I'm very much satisfied with what they are doing over here. And I wish them all the best. They can continue like this and benefit many of the doctors who are interested in this field. Thank you.